was I took a regular hone and I honed the cylinders out uh, and got them close to where they were, perfect. Uh, I got the crosshatch pattern in there and everything with it, a regular 3 stone hone. And after that, I finished it up with a dingleberry hone. I went in there, and I didn't do it a whole lot, but it made the cylinders pretty much perfect, and they're perfectly round. Um, so what I'm going to show y'all now is how to install these rod bearings right here. I already cleaned these the journal surface. I mean the rod bearing surface. I already cleaned it, and now I'm going to install this right here. You see it's got this hole here. You'll make sure you line all this stuff up. It's got that little groove. Line it up. Press them down, and you want them to fit where they're flat on both sides. That one's sticking up just a tad bit. I got a knife here with a real soft handle. I'm going to just kind of tap it a little bit. Okay. Now that's installed right there. Now you take the rod cap and install another one. All right. That's installed. So I'm going to set these right here. Now, what I'm going to do, just keep focused right there, is I'm going to oil the cylinder. Got my oil rag here. I'll oil that really good. I already had them cleaned. The block was all cleaned, so I'm just oiling it up real good. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here and I'm going to put some, this is assembly lube. I'm going to put it on this rod bearing. Okay, and I'm going to put some on this rod bearing, some assembly lube, spread it around. And because you want to orientate this where that's the front of the engine, you want to make sure that it's oriented the proper way. And you just slide it down in there like that. And this point here, you won't be able to see because we ain't got 4 hands. But we're going to tap it down. I'm going to be down there on the bottom and make sure and guide those rods, bolts over the journals on the crankshafts. We don't want to score them up. The proper way to do it is to get you a piece of rubber hose that'll fit right over those rod bearings, to keep them from hitting the journal. But I'm going to do it this way because I don't have any rubber tubing.